Have you been feeling stuck lately? Like life just feels the same, it's boring. Things that used to make you happy no longer resonate with you. You're trying to find your spark, you feel like you have low energy. Really, this is signs of the old version of you dying because you're about to step into this new era of your life, this new timeline. You're about to have a breakthrough into this new identity. But what happens before the breakthrough is the breakdown. The breakdown of old friends, relationships, patterns, habits. You have to cut this version off and you have to separate yourself to elevate yourself first. So what always happens before you go through this transformation is that breakdown period. And I know how you feel because that breakdown period it can almost make you feel just like you're losing yourself, that nothing matters anymore, like you don't have no purpose. But I'm here to tell you that right after the breakdown, there's like a rebirth. It's a transformation, which leads to your breakthrough. But you're not stuck. I'm gonna tell you exactly what to do. In order for you to transform and fully step into this new timeline, you have to create new habits, create that new identity. Because your old version, like I said, cannot come to this new era of your life. They say almost every 7 years, you become somebody new. So what does that look like for you? What do you want this new phase of your life to look like, especially going into the year 2026? Actually, the year 2025 was the year of the snake. And in Chinese astrology, the snake represents shedding. A snake always sheds its skin. So it's shedding our old self. Things might have felt slow. A lot of things might have broke down, like I said, relationships, friendships, career, money issues. But it's all to break down what wasn't built on a solid foundation so that it can make room for the new version, for that new timeline, for that higher self. Because that's all life is, it's just you evolving. So even in the darkest moments, even in the times where you think that nothing's working for you, it's not the universe forgetting about you, it's not life going against you, it's actually working in your favor. Because you are about to become a higher version, you're about to evolve in so many ways that you can't even see it yet. And that's the thing, that's what's scary. It's the fear of the unknown. It's what's gonna happen next in my life, where am I going? That's where our trust in the universe and in ourselves take us far, because you have to have trust. You have to keep your thoughts positive and know that things are working out for your better, for your elevation. So sometimes that feels like separating, detaching, losing a part of yourself. But remember, the universe never subtracts, God never subtracts without multiplying. So everything that you're losing is going to be replaced with something better. You have to just believe it. But also, you have to encourage and embrace the change. You know, this is a time right now before the new year is getting your energy in alignment, focusing on yourself. What habits do you want to bring into the new year? What version of yourself do you want to experience in the new year for 2026? Because it's the year of the fire horse in Chinese astrology, which means it's going to be rapid movement. Things are going to be moving fast for you. But in order to make sure that that movement works in your favor, you have to make sure you cut out everything that is holding you back and everything that you're holding on to right now that is no longer serving you. So this requires you to get your energy right. I've been doing a lot of meditation lately. You know, just quieting my mind, sitting with myself. And what I notice is my old self, my reoccurring thought habits, you know, and I start to change that old programming to step into the new version of myself. I start to realize the person I'm becoming and who I want to become in this next level, going into this new year. So when you do that, when you reflect, when you quiet your mind, you just be in the present moment, that's like the most powerful position, because that's when you can start creating your future. If you're only thinking about your future, you're going to be anxious. And if you're only thinking about your past, you're going to be depressed. Yesterday's history, tomorrow's a mystery, today's a gift. That's why they call it the present moment. So understand that this phase of your life right now is just a transformation. It's like when you upgrade your phone or your laptop and you click that software update. There's a delay period where you can't use your computer, you can't use your phone, and everything, you gotta just sit there and just wait for that new update, for that new programming to load. That's the phase you're in right now. You're in that loading phase, that delayed period where the old version of you is clearing out and getting ready for that new frequency. Because in that new frequency, you cannot be your old self. You have to be a higher version of yourself. So this is the best time for you to create these new habits. Go to the gym, do some yoga, meditate, really work on yourself. Think of your business and your career path, your purpose, what you want to share with the world. Don't hesitate, create, express yourself. One of the biggest things I've learned is, when it comes to creation or just becoming that highest version of yourself, is learning a way to express yourself, whether that's through journaling, meditation, creating content, art, music. There's a song inside of you that you have to get out and express to the world. And that way your energy, your frequency reflects to you what you're putting out. So if you're carrying anger, resentment, hate, fear, lack, sadness, depression, all these lower vibrations, the universe will reflect that to you. The universe is just a mirror of your mind. Your outer world is a reflection of your inner world. So you have to clear out all of those traumas, those experiences, and everything that happened in 2025 and carry that new frequency and energy into 2026. Because it's already written. You already know. Your higher self is already there. It's just waiting for you to step into that new timeline. And that starts with believing that you are transforming, writing down this new version of yourself. What do you want your life to look like? Who are you becoming? What are your daily habits? How are you going to create and elevate your life? So that's something to consider for the 2026, for the new year. And if you're feeling stuck right now, remember, like I said, this is the breakdown before the breakthrough. You're about to elevate, but elevation requires separation. So keep on going. Use this time to be present, really focus on yourself. And when it's time for that new era, you're going to launch into success. You're going to launch into that higher version. You're going to feel all those emotions, those new experiences, and life's going to be picking up and moving fast again. So right now, use the quiet moments and just be present with yourself. Look within.